My phone. Let's check it's capable of download, Granny 5. A lot of people couldn't download it because they had a low device. Here you can see I have 6 GB more than 2 GB, which means I can install Granny 5. Look, I can install it. My tablet. Let's see if we can install Granny 5 in my tablet. Look, see I have 2 GB, so I cannot install Granny 5. It's here, but you cannot install it sadly. See there, wrote, this tablet isn't compatible with this app. Bye guys, hope you find the answers why you cannot install Granny 5.